You start it or no?
I don't. Okay, yes.
Okay, start.
Ah,
Okay, just leave it. Hi everyone, today we're going to make an origami pyramid. To start, you need to have 2 pieces of tape. You cut it, and then you can leave it on the table so you can easily get it afterwards. First step, find a squared origami paper, fold it diagonally perfectly. Open it, go the other side and do the same thing. So at the end you see a nice X here. Then you would fold it in half again. Like this. So then what you want to do is fold it again.
pause. Okay, go.
With the creases that you put in earlier, it actually helps you into folding it. So what you want to do is fold it like this to be a nice triangle. Now fold this flap over. Same thing here, with the crease it actually helps. So then again, what you want to do is fold it like this. And then fold it back. So at the end you would see something like this. So the next step, turn it facing you again. For these 4 flaps, you will need to fold it towards the middle to make a diamond. So you can do that to all 4. Make it perfect. Turn it around.
Do the same thing.
That's right, do the same thing. So once for the diamond, what you want to do is fold this part here for each side right into the middle. So you want to fold this into the middle here, like so. You can do that for all 4 sides, or 2 sides, 4 flaps. So I'm going to flip it around. Same thing here. Same thing here. So when that's done, you will be able to see this little flap, little flap, little flap, little flap. What you want to do is you want to open each one like so, and then you're going to flip this little flap in there, and then you're going to refold everything. Again, same thing for this one. You open it, and then you're going to flip this flap over like this, and then refold. Turn the thing around, open it, flip this. So last one, you're going to open it, close it, like so, and then close, close. Alright, now with the 2 pieces of tape that we got earlier, what you want to do is you want to put it right in the middle to glue them together. Now you're going to flip it back on the other side. Use the other piece of tape, and then you're going to put it right in the middle again. So now we have something like this. Then what you want to do is you want to make an X, like so. And then what you want to do is just push in it a little bit, and now you can see a nice X. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to pull the X's apart a little bit, very lightly, on the other side, very lightly. So now you can actually see the way I'm doing this. If I pull it apart a little bit, you can actually see a nice basis forming now. So then what you want to do is from here, you see a little hole. Kind of like the ball origami. What you want to do is just blow air to here.
Quick. That's it.
So once the air has been blown, what you want to do is just push it down like this. So you can actually see
It creases.
it creases a little bit, that's right. But you can actually see that this is not enough air, so what we want to do is blow more air into there. Push it down a little bit. You can actually see now it's more air, now it's more full. And there is your pyramid origami.